This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming version and updates because mismatches cause many crashes. Once done, save a backup copy to avoid data loss, then disable add-ins to isolate extensions that break features. Open File, Options, Add-ins, and uncheck third-party entries. Restart PowerPoint to test. If instability persists, run the Office Repair utility in Control Panel. This replaces corrupted files without removing your settings. Make sure to note any error messages to guide the next step. Once add-ins are ruled out, focus on the file itself, because many faults come from corrupt slides or media. Use Open and Repair, or create a new presentation and import slides to recover content. This isolates bad slide objects. Check embedded media and fonts, unlink or re-encode video, and replace suspect fonts. These often hang the app. Also test in safe mode by holding Control during startup to confirm if settings or extensions cause the issue. This narrows the root cause efficiently. To finish, reinstall Office only after repairs and file fixes fail, because a fresh install clears deep corruption yet keeps your account intact when you sign in. Meanwhile, update graphics drivers and run system file checker. These fix rendering and OS-level problems that mimic PowerPoint faults. If you still face crashes, capture event logs and error codes. These details speed support diagnostics. One troubleshooting tip: test the same file on another machine to determine whether the issue is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.